Hi everyone, my name is Marek, and in this video I'm going to show you how to easily connect your data from Zoho CRM to any destination. So let's say that you have your data in Zoho CRM and you would like to create a report in Power BI or Data Studio or Tableau or some kind of a tool for visualizing your data. And what you can do is actually bring the data to that destination automatically, which of course, if you automate your work, that means you're going to spend less time on bringing the data, and you can spend more time on actually analyzing it and acting on the insights. Uh, so basically, let's start. I have my Zoho CRM account. I have contacts here. Uh, it's just a testing account, so I don't have a lot of data there yet. Uh, I also have Google Sheets, which is the destination for the data, and I also have Dataddo platform, which is a no-code data integration platform, which will allow you to automatically connect any data to any destination. Uh, so let's start. So I'm in the Dataddo platform right now, and I'm gonna go to sources, and I can choose pretty much any source from the selection here, but for the purpose of this video, I will choose the Zoho CRM. And let's say that I want to get information about contacts. So I'm gonna choose the contacts dataset. In the next step, I'm gonna authorize my account. So I'm already logged into the Zoho CRM account, so I don't need to log in again, and I just need to accept and give Dataddo permission to access the data. So I'm doing that right now. And as you can see, I can already choose my account. And in this next step, I can actually choose which of the metrics or attributes I want to bring into my destination, in this case into Google Sheets. So let's say that for whatever reason I don't want to include any data such as this, and for whatever reason I just choose to omit some of the data, and I can I can now test the data to see what it looks like. So in this next step, I actually get a preview of my data for some basic exploration. So let's say that some of the important attributes were missing, or there were actually some attributes that I didn't want to extract. I can still make changes to this. Then I go to the next step and I choose how often I would like the data extracted. So let's say that I need to present a report to my manager every day. Uh, in that case, I will probably choose a daily daily snapshotting frequency. But if I know that I won't be looking at the report more than once a week, perhaps I can also choose the weekly reporting frequency. This is completely up to me. We recommend the daily frequency, which is best and covers most use cases. Um, and the last step of this is saving the source. And now I can actually I can look at the sources. I can also do some basic operations here. I can see how many rows I've extracted and so on. I could basically troubleshoot the connection, but we're not going to do that now. And as the next step, I'm going to authorize my destination. So I don't have any destination yet created, but I will authorize Google Sheets. So it will just ask me to authorize my account, which I'm doing right now. Once again, I need to give access to Dataddo. And then I just save the destination. Uh, so now I have a source and I have a destination. So the last thing is creating a flow, which is basically the connection between the source and the destination. So I will choose my Zoho contacts, and I will choose my Google Sheets destination for the write mode, because the data from Zoho doesn't, uh, you know, what we extract is always the entire list of contacts, or the entire list of leads or deals and so on. So unless I want to know what happened historically, I will probably just be looking at the most updated data. So if I want just the most updated data, I will choose this write mode, which is truncate insert, where it cleans the entire table or the entire sheet, and then it inserts the new data. So that's the preferred one for me, but it might be different for you. Uh, Write header line, yes. Create new empty spreadsheet, yes. Uh, Now I can actually name the spreadsheet. So let's call it Zoho Contacts, and then I can also name the tab. So sheet one is fine for me. I can still, in this step, I can still preview the data that I have in the source. So if, let's say, if for whatever reason I decided it, it's not ideal, I can still change the source. Uh, I can also schedule the data, but mm, by default, we load the data once it's been extracted successfully. So this is not of concern for me right now. And then I just create a flow. And now the flow has been successfully created. I can, once again check the logs. It says that 3 rows have been written. And now I can actually go to Google Sheets, and I already see a table called Zoho Contacts that I've created, and it has my 3 rows of data. And every day, let's say if tomorrow I actually started using Zoho CRM and I wanted to import 1,000 contacts or even more, the data will actually get updated. So once I build some report from this, let's say I build some charts and so on, uh, my data will actually automatically get updated, so I don't have to do it manually every time that I want to consume the report. So this is pretty much this is what it looks like. Of course, we also have some support materials. You can check our documentation, and if you need any help, feel free to reach out to us.